Hey, good afternoon. Just a few thoughts on family law situations in Texas. You know, once you file a family law petition in the state of Texas, there's a 60-day cooling off period at which time the parties are encouraged to cool off, to explore reconciliation, or at a minimum maintain the status quo and not harass, badger, or disparage each other. You're not allowed to cut off utilities, rent, lights, phones, car payments, etc. Now, there's situations where people can't financially do this. They just simply can't financially afford that. But, that's not a carte blanche invitation to violate any kind of standing order that may be in place or a temporary order that may be in place. The other thing to be mindful of is that the cooling off period is not a situation where it may be welcome or even wise to approach the other party or badger the other party about reconciliation. You need to let those things happen organically if they're going to. And one of the best moments that a Texas family lawyer can ever have, and I'm speaking from experience, is being asked to file a petition on behalf of a client, and then later at about day 65 or 70 being asked to dismiss that petition because the parties were going to renew their vows. And that's only happened ever once to me, but it was wonderful. But again, it's a situation where feelings are tender, feelings are raw, and you need to be respectful of the other party's space and their need to process things. So don't be overtly aggressive with attempts to reach out, because in my experience, that's just going to result in a snapback and a shutdown, and that's going to be the opposite of what you've had. It's a delicate situation. Explore counseling if that's possible through your spiritual advisor, through your church, or through a licensed professional counselor. It's something that if you're going to be able to fix it, you're going to need to call in some experts, and don't be afraid to expend some resources on that, because self-help, while encouraged, is not always successful. That being said, always be mindful of the raw emotion and hurt that the other party is feeling, and be respectful of that. If that person's asking you to keep distance, keep it. Most critically, don't put yourself in a situation where there can be an incident of family violence, because there's nothing that'll undermine a family law case faster than an allegation of family violence. Anyway, I hope this has been helpful. I hope everybody's having a wonderful summer. Enjoy yourselves. 4th of July coming up. Have a great week.